In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find unread chats and messages in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using the desktop version or the mobile app, keeping track of your unread notifications is essential for staying responsive and organized in your communications. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily locate these unread messages and make sure you're always in the loop. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams on your device. Whether you're seated at your workstation, using the desktop version, or on the go with the mobile app, the process remains straightforward and user-friendly. Once you've opened Teams, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see several options, but what you're going to focus on is the Activity section, which is represented by a bell icon. Click on the Activity icon. This is your central hub for all notifications within Microsoft Teams. It's designed to keep you updated with everything from unread mentions to replies and, of course, those important messages that you haven't seen yet. Once you're in this section, you'll get a clear view of all your current notifications, prioritized to help you catch up efficiently. Now, as you go through the list, you'll see that each notification offers a preview of the message or mention. This allows you to quickly gauge its importance and urgency. When you find a message you intend to respond to or follow up on, simply click directly on the notification. Doing so will take you straight to the conversation, saving you time and ensuring you don't miss any contextual details. One of the great things about using the activity section is that it organizes not only chats but also team channels. So whether it's direct messages from colleagues or updates in your team spaces, you have a comprehensive view all in one location. This feature is a powerful tool, especially if you're part of multiple teams within the organization, as it prevents you from overlooking messages that might require your attention. Additionally, if you prefer, you can filter the notifications in this area to hone in on particular kinds of messages, such as mentions or missed calls. This level of customization ensures you can adapt the experience to suit your unique needs and preferences. To sum it up, by regularly checking the activity section in Microsoft Teams, you'll ensure that no unread message goes unnoticed. It's an integral part of staying connected and maintaining effective communication, both in everyday tasks and important projects. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it equips you with the knowledge to stay connected and responsive. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your notifications in check and your communications